Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Shopify store perfect for mobile users. Shopify is designed with mobile in mind, meaning your store will look great on phones and tablets right out of the box. We will cover selecting the right theme, optimizing your content, and ensuring a seamless shopping experience for everyone on the go. Get ready to create an amazing mobile storefront that converts visitors into loyal customers. Selecting the right theme is crucial for a fantastic mobile experience. Look for themes specifically designed with responsiveness in mind, ensuring they adapt beautifully to various screen sizes, from the smallest smartphone to larger tablets. Take time to customize your theme's colors and fonts to match your brand, and always prioritize clear, simple navigation. A well-chosen theme can significantly enhance user engagement and sales. Content optimization is key for mobile shoppers. Always use high-quality images, but ensure they are compressed to load quickly, ideally under 100 kilobytes each. Keep your product descriptions concise and to the point, making them easy to scan on smaller screens. Implement clear calls to action, like add to cart or buy now, that are prominently displayed and easy to tap. This ensures a smooth and efficient shopping journey. Before launching, thorough testing is absolutely essential. Grab a few different mobile devices, including both iOS and Android, and navigate through your entire store. Check every link, button, and the complete checkout process to ensure everything works flawlessly. Pay close attention to how images load and text displays. Gather feedback from friends or family, and make any necessary adjustments to guarantee a perfect mobile shopping experience for your customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.